Installing the corner blocks and the child seat anchor system. Take a corner block bolt washer, and I tip them like this so the washer hangs down versus that way. Here, slide it in, Allen wrench up through that hole into there. You can hold it like that with one hand. Take a leg that's threaded on both ends. You don't want the one that's only threaded on one end. Bring it over here, put it into the sockets. Take this guy, feed it in, thread that in, and it should thread in nice and easy. And take it down close to tight, but not tight. So I want that a little bit floppy, because I want that play over here for installing the rest. We'll come back to that. Now take the cross tube and the anchors themselves, slide these on. I put them on with the nuts to the inside, aesthetic reasons only, button heads on the outside. And this is going to go like that in this configuration. The child seat anchors need to point backwards. So we'll put this on this end up here. So take that, lay it down, grab the other washer and screw, slide it in here, that. So now at this location, go here. So we're ready to install that. I'm still holding the bolt. The other leg, set it off to the side for a second. This end, start it into there. Wiggle this until you get the bolt coming through. Leg, sockets in. Thread that bolt in. And then now, at this point, you can go ahead and snug that guy down. Come to this end, do the same. And tip this down. Adjust these. Full size, we're going to go to the two middle ones. Mid size, this piece is shorter, so this one then slides to the outside and is much nearer the outside. And you're now ready to go click it in and do this part of the install.